In 2026, Dallas still expects every home and residential building to meet strict smoke detector requirements based on the 2021 International Fire Code, IFC, and 2021 International Residential Code, IRC, as amended by the City of Dallas. Practically, that means smoke alarms in every bedroom, in the hallways outside sleeping areas, and on every level of the home, with hardwired, interconnected alarms in new construction and code-compliant wireless options allowed in many existing homes. By combining these enduring principles with the latest 2026 code updates, particularly around wireless interconnection, the 2021 Dallas Fire Code, and permit expectations, you can keep your Dallas property both safe and compliant for everyone who lives or works there.